What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol MSTR for MicroStrategy Inc. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update on their earnings announcement. They gave that to us after the bell today, so let's flip on the extended hour session here and see what's going on with the number. Not a whole lot, to be quite frank with you. This lower wick would certainly indicate a little bit of volatility. I mean, we did set a new low around 350 underneath today's regular trading hours low. However, as of right now, we're back inside of the day's range. I really think the main stage is over at AMD as well as Google, of course. So this one's kind of taken a back seat for now. We want to know where these three levels are. Of course, the overnight low, today's low, as well as today's high. Let's turn this back off to just sort of eliminate distractions and talk about structure here on the 30-minute time frame. I mean, this to me is just building the case for a neutral trend, right? It's really going sideways here. We don't have any positive developments outside of this range that we're trading in. So I'm just actually going to extend this to the left, kind of like that. There we go. So that's the top end of the range. The bottom end of the range is down here. Depending on where we open, again, if it's inside of today's trading activity, then we're at the top end of the range. We would be looking for any bearish patterns that could take us back down towards the bottom end of the range, right? Just looking for this sideways channel to continue to play out. If we don't see any bearish patterns forming at the top end here, then fine, we can start to assume that this may start to build a bullish pennant, and then from there, we would watch for breakouts up and over the top of the range at 391. What would be the target? Well, it's got to be right here around 422, and after that, it's the gap close up towards these prior lows at 455. Okay, so that is the upside case if we can break out of the channel, and also remembering range rules, right? If we double the range to the upside as the measured move target, look at that, perfect move into the gap fill area. That's the upside. We talked about the downside. Really, the downside, you should be a little bit more conservative and probably wait for a breakdown of that overnight low before looking for that 322. Just noting that maybe it offers some sort of support. We already did see it, again, produce a significant lower wick. The buyers did respond to this area. So more of a conservative trader would probably wait for the breakdown there or a bearish pattern to happen above for the rotation to the bottom end of that 30-minute range, which we just had up on the chart. So that's going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it today or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.